Alright guys, so we're out here at El Dorado Lake today. We're gonna try to run up the creek and see if we can catch some fish. So we've had a couple cool days that are going to shake things up a bit. So I'm hoping that maybe we can get some fall transition fish up in the creek. We're gonna go ahead and make a run, see what we come up with. Thanks for watching. Didn't even get it on camera. I thought this thing was rolling and it was pointed down at the deck of the boat. Man. Nice little, what, 15 maybe? He's a stout little guy. Yeah. Caught him on a biz bug with the 6 cents ox flipping hook and a R&P 3/8 ounce tungsten weight. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get some more of these. He was up in the shade, getting away from this hot summer day. I like using these flipping hooks too. I never used them before. I always used like a EWG. Yeah. But I started using these things and I really like them. I'm fishing them on a heavy rod though. Go. Pretty good one. Oh, dude! Hell yeah! That's a good fish. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Dude, yeah. That's a really good one. That was on that missile bait. Yeah. Hell yeah! It's ready to go. That thing started fighting as soon as it got hooked, didn't it? Oh yeah, it did. I was like, shit, that looks like a good one. I didn't even see the fish yet, and then I seen it and I was like, oh shit. See, this is kind of a cool deal I put here. Okay. Pretty sweet. Dude, hell yeah. Let's get another one like that. Oh yeah, found it. Hey, the little ones are fun to catch too. Yeah. Alright, now you can't be telling nobody about our secret spot now. No, I wouldn't know how to get back there. Thing was bending, it looked like it, but another little guy. Yeah. About poke myself doing that. Not as good as the last few, but hey, we'll take it. Up in the creek, away from the hot sun, feeling a little bit of tug on my line. Couldn't get bit on the Chad shad, so I had to switch it back up to the flipping bait, and just a few casts in and caught one. So I'm gonna stick to that for a little while. Hopefully we can upgrade on size. He had me wrapped around that log is what it was. I think that's why the rod was bowing like that.
Oh, okay.
All right, guys, thanks for coming along with us. Fishing out on the creek, always a fun time. I don't know if you can see, but I can see my breath out here. It is definitely not summer anymore. This video has been just sitting on the hard drive for a little while. We were actually at a football game, my son's football game, and Carlos, he's a neighbor of mine, and he's got a kid on the cheer squad, and I was like, hey man, you want to go fishing? So it was just a last minute trip. Got out there, fished for a couple hours. We got quite a few fish that didn't end up on camera, probably a good handful of them, so it was a little bit more productive than it seems, but he caught a nice one, so shout out to Carlos. And we got a couple more creek videos coming up for you, and Lalo wants to say hi. Say hi, Lalo. Nah, he's just getting some loving. So guys, thanks for tuning in, appreciate you. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.